Move!
Today, we are running the same prompts to 3 of the world's best AI engines on JXP. Sora 2, VEO 3.1 and WAN 2.5. You're going to see exactly which one delivers the most insane results. No opinions, no bias, just pure output. Let's start the battle. Welcome to the ultimate JXP AI engines battle. If you're new here, you're welcome and get ready because this tutorial is going to open your eyes to see how far AI video generation has evolved. Yes. Before we begin, I'd like to thank today's sponsors, JXP. Before we begin, let me introduce you to this fantastic AI platform called JXP. This all-encompassing AI platform gives you access to all the high-end AI engines and is in one place, from Sora 2, VEO 3 and VEO 3.1, WAN 2.5 and many more. But today, we'll be focusing on 3 of the top video generation engines while I will show you guys the output from all the other engines available on JXP platform. And you finally will decide the winner. Let's jump right in. The link to JXP is in the description box. So once you click it, it opens up like this. I'm looking at my PC right here, okay? So you go over here and log in. You can log in with your Gmail. So it opens up like this. Now on this tab, we're going to go over here and click AI video. Now we're going to start our test using Sora 2. This is how the Sora 2 AI video generator on jxp.com shows, okay? I have the prompt document that we're going to be using to run this particular battle today, and it's going to also be linked in the description box. But before you can access it, please subscribe to the channel. Now we are going to take the first prompt here, and this prompt is an African dramatic scene. I'm going to copy it and go back to the JXP platform. Now, the Sora 2 on JXP can do text to video and image to video, right? But for this our battle today, we are going to be doing text to video, okay? So you're going to come over here and you're going to paste your prompts. Now you can choose whatever of the Sora 2 models you want, either Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. You can choose your aspect ratio. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to leave everything at landscape. You're going to set your video duration to 10 seconds and then you're going to click create video. Of course, it uses credits and uses 20 credits to generate a 10-second long video. And we're going to click create video. This is going to take some time to generate, and as it takes some time to generate, I'm going to run this same prompt on all the other AI engines. Now, the video is generated. Let's look at it.
Somebody help me! My child is under here!
Mommy, I cannot breathe.
Hold on, my baby! Hold on for me! Somebody help me! My child is under here! Mama! Mama! I cannot breathe!
Somebody is on me under here! Mommy, I cannot breathe!
To be very honest with you, AI has gone far in video generation. Look at the output from Sora 2, the output from VEO 3, and the output from WAN AI. It is nothing short of amazing. So please tell me right now in the comments which one you think had the best video output for running this first prompt. Now we are going to go to run our second prompt. After the second prompt, I'm going to be showing you how to use VEO 3 or 3.1 on the JXP platform. So once the platform is opened like this, you're going to go over here and click VEO 3 either at this portion, or you go over here and select VEO 3.1. You can use VEO 3 or 3.1, okay? And they have a beautiful video here. So VEO 3.1 can do text to video, image to video, and reference to video. This is really amazing, right? So for today's test, we are going to be using text to video with our second prompt. So I'm going to go to my prompt document and I'm going to copy, of course, the second prompt, and I'm going to paste the prompt. Now the model I'm going to pick is VEO 3 fast. You can also pick VEO 3 quality if you want, right? But to do this, you need to be subscribed on the JXP platform. I'll come over and explain that to you in some minutes. So we're going to leave it at VEO 3.1 fast and we're going to click generate video. And guys, here is the result.
Target in sight! in sight.
I think they all did fantastically. Tell me for prompt 2, which one that you think that won the round? Please write that down in the comments, okay? So now let's go to WAN 2.5, how to use it. We're going to go over here, click AI video and select WAN 2.5, right? Once WAN 2.5 is open, you see it over here, and we're going to come over here and we are going to paste our prompts. We're going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and we're going to click generate video. So let's see what they all generated again.
Come back here. Ah, you big now. Come back here. Ah, you big now. Come back here. Ah, you big now.
As this was an animation video, I am really impressed. Like, they all did all so well. So as always, I wanted to drop a comment and tell me for this animated scene, I think won this particular round. So now there are also some other AI tools that are on this platform, like Hailuo AI. We are going to try that too and see what its generations look like. The same thing was done with Seedance 1.0, the same process. Now the thing about Hailuo AI, it doesn't produce sound. Guys, I'm going to be showing you guys now the output from Seedance and also from Hailuo AI. Those generations, I think they were also really amazing. Like, I will tell you guys that JXP as a platform is amazing. It gives you access to all the most important worldwide AI engines, and it's all in one place.
JXP gives you access to AI image generators like Nano Banana and Seed Dream, and also gives you lipsync AI called Infinite Talk.
For all the wonderful things that JXP affords you on their platform, you have 3 payment plans. We have the starter plan for just $10, have the premium that is $30, the ultimate plan if you want to buy the credit system, right, $99, and also they have the monthly subscription plan. So guys, that's the video for today. Thank you guys all so much for watching. You can watch these other videos on my left and on my right, and make sure that you enjoy it. So please leave a comment and I'll see you on the very next video.